Day 3 of questioning of Rhea Chakravarti in the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery now over. She's back home. Divesh Singh joins us. He's our crime and investigations correspondent in Mumbai. He's been tracking this investigation and the interrogation very, very closely. Divesh, what were the kind of questions that were asked on day 3? How were they different from the questions posed on day 1 and 2? And what are your sources in the CBI telling you about the kind of responses that have been forthcoming from Rhea Chakravarti?
Rahul, CBI on the third day of questioning Rhea Chakravarti posed several questions related to the financial angle and regarding the mental illness that Sushant Singh Rajput was suffering from. She was asked whether she was administering any drugs. Were these prescription drugs? Were the doctors whose names have appeared, whose names have surfaced, or who are treating Sushant Singh Rajput recommended by her? Who were these doctors? What kind of medication was being given to Sushant Singh Rajput? And there were various questions which were repeatedly asked to Rhea Chakravarti. Those questions were repeated. These were asked on the day 1 as well as day 2 and now on day 3 as well. And this is the standard operating procedure of any investigative agency. They posed several questions on repeated occasions to witnesses as well as accused. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti is the prime accused in this case, and that is why whatever she says will be taken on record and her statement will be recorded, which she'll have to sign. And that is why each and every question is being posed several times by different officers. Each and every time a different officer will ask the same question. She'll have to answer these questions. Also, Nupur Prasad, who's been heading this investigation team for the CBI, also questioned Rhea Chakravarti. She repeatedly asked same questions. There were also argument between Rhea Chakravarti and Nupur Prasad over asking the same questions again and again. But to ascertain whatever she's saying true or not, same questions are being posed by the investigating team. Rahul?
Okay, so where do you think the investigation is going from here, Divesh? Because there was a lot of speculation around whether she'll be arrested or not. That clearly hasn't happened. We know that the Narcotics Control Bureau is waiting in the wings to investigate Rhea Chakravarti as well. When is that likely to happen? And we know that the sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput are also being summoned and they will be questioned as well. What can you tell us about that?
Yes, Rahul, the CBI is right now looking for a smoking gun. They are looking for some evidence according to the charges that have been leveled against Rhea Chakravarti. Charges of wrongful confinement, charges of theft, the charges of cheating, the charges of breach of trust, and two very important charges: abetment to suicide and the 15 crore rupees that were allegedly siphoned off by Rhea Chakravarti and 5 other accused who have been named in the FIR. CBI is looking for some direct evidence because remember, this case is, the incident happened 2.5 months ago. But right now, CBI, which is now taken over the investigation as per the FIR registered by KK Singh, father of Sushant Singh Rajput, they will have to rely on witness statements. They will have to rely on the interrogation details of Rhea Chakravarti and other accused to build a case against them, to build or to get any kind of evidence, circumstantial evidence, to build their case against the charged accused. So that is why they are repeatedly questioning the witnesses, the 4 people who were present inside the flat when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. Dipesh Sawant, Siddharth Pithani, Keshav Bachner were the people who were present there inside the flat. They are being repeatedly questioned. They have been called again today as well, while Rhea Chakravarti is also repeatedly being questioned regarding all the allegations that have been made against her by KK Singh, who is the father of Sushant Singh Rajput. Also, sisters are very important. Sister's statement is very important in this case because remember, there have been allegations that Sushant was not speaking to them. Rhea had somehow created a divide between the family and Sushant Singh Rajput. That is why, to also know of the finances, we've exclusively accessed Samuel Miranda's statement to agencies in which he says that at one point of time last year, when Sushant was staying at the Waterstones resort, his 3 sisters, Neetu and Priyanka, all 3 came to meet him. They met him and they asked specifically about his finances, about the money. And after which Sushant Singh Rajput broke down. He started crying. This has come out in statement of Samuel Miranda to Mumbai Police, to Enforcement Directorate, and now to the CBI. That is why questioning of all the sisters is also important. Their statement very important in this case. They are a family of the deceased person.
Divesh, for that update, we'll come back to you for more in just a moment. Riya Chakravarti has been travelling back and forth for the investigation in a grey-coloured Innova. The car is apparently owned by a person called Mithun Gole. Not much is known about Gole, but he appears to be the second owner of the car, which was registered in 2014. There is one more car. When Riya was called for questioning by the Enforcement Directorate earlier, she used a dark grey Ford Endeavour, which belongs to Suved Lohia, a successful entrepreneur in the hospitality sector. Lohia also played a small role in Salman Khan's 2014 film Jai Ho. There's one more car, a Jeep Compass, parked at Riya's residence in Juhu. This car was registered in April last year in Riya's father Indrajit Chakravarti's name. Riya also posted a photo with a Jeep Compass on Instagram on the 24th of April 2019. We're slipping into a quick break. We'll have more for you when we come back on the other side, including a special edition of the news track. Stay with us. These audio conversations already creating much chatter on social media, lots of reactions coming in, very interesting insights into what was going on in the mind of Sushant Singh Rajput. We'll have those tapes played out for you again. We'll have more people coming in to share their insights on what these tapes reveal, especially in the context of the investigation that is currently underway, and we'll try and find out more from our reporters on what happened on day 3 of the CBI's questioning of Riya Chakravarti. That and more on the other side of a quick break. Stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.